New COVID-19 cases in Assam, fear rises as three have no travel history. Stranded workers in Dimapur appeals for evacuation. Distribution of relief materials to needy families continues in the district. Hello viewers, welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Baby with the latest news of the day. Now let's move to the news in detail. In a latest development, 4 more people were tested positive for COVID-19 in Assam, out of which 3 patients from Bongaigaon has had no travel history and has become a major cause of concern for the state government and the public in general.
The new case of COVID-19 patients was revealed by Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. He broke the news through his official Twitter handle this afternoon. Following this, there's a deep fear among the public about their own safety, as the source of the latest infection have not been able to be explained or detected by the State Health Department. As a result, Bongaigaon district, which was earlier included in the green zone area, might soon be declared as a red zone district, as all the 4 new cases are from the district. With this, the total number of active cases from the Bongaigaon has reached 5. With the state tally touching 41, out of which 29 are discharged and 1 death. Meanwhile, Union Health Ministry Joint Secretary Love Agarwal today informed that the COVID-19 cases have fallen considerably, while he also informed that the rate has doubled in Assam in 40 days. As the number of positive cases in the country has touched 33,050, out of which 8,325 have recovered, while a number of deaths now stand at 1,074. Newsdesk report, Karbi Anglong Live.
In a big news coming in, Assam government has announced a slew of new austerity to deal with the financial blow due to the coronavirus pandemic. Here is a short report.
With a view to promote fiscal discipline without restricting the operational efficiency of the government during this time of severe crisis, the Finance Department had on Wednesday issued several austerity instructions. This was informed by the Finance Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma during a press meet. As per the new notification, no new government schemes would be taken up without prior approval from the Finance Department. Purchase of vehicle is banned until further notice, except in the case of ambulances and vehicles required for police duty. Holding of conferences, workshops, seminars, fairs, and function is also totally banned, while no officer will be allowed to attend any foreign training course, workshop, seminar outside India, and release of MLA Development Fund will remain suspended in the first 4 months of the current financial year or until further orders. Newsdesk report, Karbi Anglong Live.
Moving on to another news, stranded workers have called upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Karbi Anglong administration for arrangement for their immediate evacuation from Dimapur, where they had been kept for more than 1 month. More on it from our news desk.
One of the stranded workers told Karbi Anglong Live that they all have been shifted from the Dimapur District Sports Complex and they are currently being kept in the 7th Mile area by the Dimapur administration. He also informed that around 1,000 workers are currently stranded in Dimapur, out of which 26 Karbis and 10 Garo are from Bithung Rengthama constituency of Karbi Anglong. This stranded man stated that it has been extremely difficult for them to stay in such situation and want to return home as early as possible, as they have already completed more than 1 month under quarantine, and since the central government has already issued notification to allow workers to return home under strict guidelines. While speaking today on phone, another worker informed that they had managed to speak with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Executive Member Tuliram Ronghang on Thursday evening, during which he assured them that they would all be brought back home in the first week of May. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.
As the lockdown advanced towards a still uncertain end, many citizens have also been came forward to contribute towards the needy section of the society. Distribution of relief materials continued today in the district. Here is a report.
The working journalists of the Futon were today provided food items at the initiative of Superintendent of Police of Karbi Anglong, Debojit Deuri. This was carried out as a small gesture towards the media fraternity who have been working relentlessly during this ongoing lockdown. Meanwhile, at Dolamura, Horentokbi, a forest guard and in charge of Nutun Bosti Subbit under Sinolijan Range, who is also a resident of Bachikrang, along with his family members, distributed food items to more than 15 BPL families today. The families who received food items today were daily facing scarcity of ration at their homes. The families were provided rice, potatoes, dal, oil, biscuits and soap. Vikram Kro from Dipu along with Arjison Rongpar from Dolamura, Karbi Anglong Live.
In a sad news coming in, after a 2 hours long search operation, the body of a 43-year-old Surat Biswakarma was recovered from the Kopili River this morning. Here is a report from our correspondent.
The body of the 43-year-old man was recovered by the SDRF team during a search operation today. According to the locals, the victim was last seen with 3 other men going inside Amreng Forest in search of firewood under Kheroni police station. The victim reportedly drowned in the river by accident while sailing in an improvised wooden boat. The other 3 men were, however, rescued in serious condition and were later rushed to the nearest hospital by the eyewitnesses. Mohan Ingti from Kheroni for Karbi Anglong Live.
And that's all we have with us for now. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.